Hello people. Today we are doing tutorial for new players on Grow a Garden. Let's start off with planting. Okay, first start off with buying carrot. Okay, we got carrot, go plant it. Now wait. Okay, people, grab it now. Okay, people, now sell carrot. Okay, people, now let's wait for part 2 of this tutorial. Smiley face. Like and subscribe if you want to. Bye bye people, smiley face. See you next time.